We are RideCell, and we build the technologies and solutions that power the digital transformation of fleets. The safety and security of your vehicles and drivers is always a top priority, and you've likely already taken some important steps toward keeping your fleet safe. But what if you could do even more to protect your fleet? Most systems don't instantly notify you that a theft is occurring, and they can't restrict starting and driving the vehicle to a particular individual or identify if an unauthorized driver is at the wheel. Discovering thefts quickly or preventing them entirely have benefits that go straight to the bottom line. So, what's this new approach to keeping your vehicles safe and secure? It's called digital keyless technology, and it is changing the way fleets operate each and every day. Replacing physical keys with a key in the cloud provides a level of security never before possible. Here are a few reasons why. Digital keys are associated with drivers, while traditional keys are associated with vehicles. Since keys are unique to each driver, you can control who is allowed to operate each vehicle. Vehicles can immediately be detected as being stolen when the system senses it is moving without an authorized driver present. Thefts can be prevented entirely with an immobilizer that prevents vehicle starts even if someone has the physical key fob. Digital keyless solutions have other benefits too, including helping with vehicle maintenance and repair scheduling. When someone comes to service the vehicle, they can easily access it using an app or NFC keycard without a key exchange. If one of your vehicles is out of service, you can automatically provide the driver with a digital key to an alternate vehicle. And with digital keys, you can avoid the hassle of replacing lost keys or sending a locksmith to assist a locked-out driver. With RideCell, your fleet will never get away from you. Our advanced security solution dramatically improves the safety and security of your fleet. Interested in building a more secure fleet with us? Visit ridecell.com for more information.